Let's talk about severance packages. If you're dealing with one, that means you just lost your job. And that's not a good feeling. Whenever you lose your job or any relationship ends, a lot of times there's a feeling of rejection. It's like getting broken up with and not on your terms. So a lot of people, when they're dealing with a severance package, they're also dealing with rejection and hurt feelings. And that can make it hard to negotiate a good deal for yourself because you're probably being driven to some extent by emotion. You're human. It's okay. It happens to everybody. But you can also turn out to be your own worst enemy in that situation if you can't get a hold of it. Because I've been representing people in these severance package negotiations for about 25 years. I've represented hundreds of people and probably seen 1,000 separation agreements. And what I've learned through all this experience is that oftentimes a person's biggest adversary in a severance negotiation isn't the company that let them go, but themselves. And that can hurt you because when you just lost your job, a lot of people need money to get them through the transition to the next job. And there's an opportunity oftentimes to maybe get a better deal and more money when you need it most. And instead of taking advantage of that opportunity, sometimes people focus on the wrong things. And they want to go back to the company because they're driven by anger or rejection, and they take a hard line with the company. They try to negotiate the terms of this, separation agreement because frankly, these separation agreements are drafted by the company and they're one-sided. They don't sound good. But the reality is, it doesn't matter in most cases. Once these separation agreements are signed, they never come up again. You're never going to see it again for the rest of your life in most situations. So do you really want to use that opportunity to change language in a contract that you're never going to see again? Or do you want to use the situation to get more money? I think it's wise to try to get more money. Now, of course, if the contract is terrible, there's something really bad in it, you need to fix that. But in most cases, that's not the case. So my advice to you is to sort of step back, take some time, go talk to a therapist or someone in your family to get in a place where you feel better about things so you can go make a request about more money rather than fighting about the language in a contract that's probably not going to make any difference in your life. So that's the big thing here. This is like the psychology that's present in a severance negotiation. You need to be aware of it. And I've seen it happen a lot of times. I've had a lot of clients and I need to talk them off the ledge so they don't hurt themselves. And the best way to go get a better deal for yourself is to realize that the company is only going to have so much time to deal with you. You may only get one chance. And don't blow that one chance by trying to change the contract and all the different language in there because it really doesn't matter that much. It's better to go back and make a simple, polite request for more money. That tends to work the best in most cases. Now, of course, this is just a YouTube video. I don't know you. I don't know the facts of your case. So this isn't legal advice designed for you. It's just generalized advice that could help people in most situations. If you want the advice of a lawyer, you should go talk to an employment lawyer or contact us by clicking the link in the description below. But again, the point of this video is that if you've lost your job and you have a severance package in front of you, the best thing to do is to realize that you probably need money more than anything else and to go back and make a polite, modest request for more money. And I've seen a lot of our clients get just that at a time when they need it the most. I hope this video has been helpful. I'm Robert. Thanks for watching.